Ever wished your documents magically filled themselves and got sent out? Today, we're unlocking that power using Zapier and Google Docs. This tutorial series is all about automating your Google Docs workflow, making you incredibly efficient and ensuring every document is perfectly consistent. We'll cover generating documents from templates, populating them with dynamic data, and even sharing them automatically, so let's dive in. First, you need a Google Doc template. Think of this as your blueprint. Create a standard document in Google Docs with all your usual formatting and content wherever you want specific information to appear. Use clear placeholder tags. I'm using double curly braces, like customer name or order date. This tells Zapier exactly where to insert your unique data. Next, head over to Zapier and set up a new Zap. Your trigger is the event that starts the automation. This could be anything: a new entry in a Google Sheet, a new form submission from Typeform or Google Forms, or even a new client added to your CRM. For this example, let's imagine a new row is added to a Google Sheet containing customer details. So our trigger app is Google Sheets, and the trigger event is new spreadsheet row. You'll connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that will contain your data for the documents. Now for the magic, we'll add an action step. And this is where Google Docs comes in. Choose Google Docs as your app. And the specific action we want here is create document from template. This tells Zapier to use that template we prepared earlier. This is the crucial mapping stage. Zapier will show you the placeholder tags from your Google Docs template on one side, and the data fields from your trigger, your Google Sheet row, on the other. You simply match them up. So the customer name placeholder in your document will be filled by the customer name column from your sheet. Repeat this for all your placeholders. It's a straightforward drag and drop process. You can take this even further. After the document is created, you'll add another action step. For instance, you might choose to create file in folder in Google Drive to keep your generated documents organized, or you could directly use Gmail to send email and attach the newly created document, personalizing the email subject and body with the same data. Once you've configured all your steps, from the trigger to any sharing actions, just turn on your Zap. Now, every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet, a personalized Google Doc will be automatically generated, populated with the correct information, and even shared as you've set up. This is a game changer for consistent client communication, invoicing, or any document-heavy task.